Okay, it's a very exciting project, first of all. So we are actually using the drones to be able to extend, and that's where we come in, to extend care to patients, to showcase how drones can be utilized beyond just what it's currently doing. So one of the use cases that we have is search and rescue and also motor vehicle accidents.
Well, the airport, it's a fantastic platform for a project like this. So today we have brought together a lot of people who anyway act and operate at the airport. So this is the place for the traditional aviation and the new aviation to come together.
Our role is to digitalize the airport. So basically the digitalization means that we can lower the cost of operating an airport. We want to be the pioneers, at least in Europe, to provide services enabling low altitude economy to take place.
What that brings then is the capability to bring in sensors, radars, all kinds of information gathering equipment that is under this 5G bubble. And then we get a lot of information to make the operations at the airport more efficient, more safe.
Lots of reasons for why this is happening now. Electrification is just now arriving to aviation in bigger scale. Drones are already through, if I can say so. More demand from the defense sector, of course.
I mean, this is 2 years project, and in the end the idea is that we would have a scalable model which we could then replicate in another small airports in Finland.
This is just the first step of showing what we are about, what we are doing, what we are planning, and the conversation so far has been very interesting and useful from everybody that's been here.